Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, we're tackling a common issue many Ford F-150 owners encounter: rear defrost not working. Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. Let's dive into the possible reasons behind this problem and how to fix it. Point 1. Blown fuse. A blown fuse can disrupt the electrical path for the rear defrost system, effectively preventing the defrost elements on the rear window from turning on. If you're experiencing this issue, it's worth checking the fuse box to see if any fuses related to the rear defrost are blown. Point 2. Defrost contact points not closing properly. This can occur if your rear window goes a bit too far when closing, failing to connect with the defrost contact points. It's often due to wear and tear or a mechanical glitch. Point 3. Faulty connectors. Worn out or burnt out internal connectors within the defrost system can also lead to issues. These faulty connectors increase electrical resistance, hindering the power flow to the defrost elements. As a result, you may notice a drop in effectiveness or complete failure of the rear defrost. Point 4. Sensor disruption in sliding window models. However, if these sensors or connections get dirty, it can cause increased resistance or misreporting, leading to problems with the defrost system. Point 5. Faulty blend door actuator. A malfunctioning blend door actuator can mess with the temperature control in the climate system, resulting in insufficient warm air circulation for effective defrosting. This makes it harder for the defrost elements to clear frost or condensation on the rear window. Point 6. Faulty rear sliding window. Lastly, for those with 2011 to 2013 F-150s, a common issue arises with the rear sliding window. Sometimes, the window might be broken, causing sensors to trip and show it as open, which prevents the rear defogger from working properly. If you're not comfortable tackling these issues yourself, don't hesitate to seek professional help. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.